Okay. Okay, alternations, numbers of chromosome. Okay, so we have aneuploidy and polyploidy. Okay, aneuploidy refer to the individuals, okay, of complete set of chromosome, okay, gain or loss one or more chromosome. Okay, while polyploidy refer to the individuals, okay, that have more than two set of chromosome. Okay, and polyploidy have two autopolyploidy. Okay, and another one is allopolyploidy. Okay, autopolyploidy. Okay, when the individuals have more than two set of chromosome and resulting from mating from same species, while for the allopolyploidy, matings or breed between different species but closely related. Means same species A, breed with species A, but non-disjunction occur during gamete formations. Okay, what allopolyploidy? Okay, different species but closely related, but not involve non-disjunctions. Okay. For autopolyploidy, okay, we have parent diploid parent, 2N, A parent, same species, so AA have 2N, for example, 2N equal with 6, so 2N equal with 6, okay, and then produce gamete. Okay, one of the individuals undergo non-disjunctions, for example, this is normal meiosis, okay, N equal with 3, and there is undergo non-disjunctions, produce N equal with 2N equal with 6. And after fertilization, they will produce progenies which is have N plus 2N, okay, equal with 3N, so equal with 9 chromosome. So this is for example, this is plant. Okay, so this plant is considered sterile due of there is, okay, this plant have no homologous chromosome, okay, and when there is no homologous chromosome, means they fail undergo synapsis during meiosis. Okay, means they fail to produce gamete. Okay, because of that we call off this individual is sterile, this plant. Okay. For allopolyploidy, For allopoliploidy, refer to individuals that have two sets of chromosomes that derive from different species. Okay, so parent FA and species B. So they have AA because of diploid individuals. So AA 2n equal with 6, for example. Okay, for example, is 2n equal with 4. Okay, so we use different color. 2n equal with 4. Which chromosome? 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, 6 chromosome. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, this is homolog, homolog, and homolog. Okay, this is homolog and homolog. Okay, and then they produce gamete. Okay, without non-disjunction and equal with 3, which is 1, 2, 3. Okay, so A and then B. Okay, and equal with 2, which is 1 and 2. And then after that, produce progenies or F1 generation, which is breed together, so hybrid occur. So A and A plus with B. And then produce 3 and 2, so they produce 5 chromosome. And there is 1, 2, 3, and then 4, 5. Okay, because of there is these individuals, so this plant, okay, this plant have no homologous chromosome. Okay, mean they fail to undergo, what fail undergo meiosis? So the chromosome fail undergo synapsis or meiosis, and they fail to produce gamete. So we consider as this plant is sterile in the individuals. Okay, to become fertile, this plant have to undergo doubling chromosome. Okay, when it's undergo doubling chromosome, they will become AA and then BB. So the number of chromosomes will increase 1, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6. All have homologous chromosome. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so they will form. Okay, so this one is n individual n equal with 5. Why n? Because of this individual there is no homologous chromosome. So this one we produce 2n equal with 10. Okay, because of 2n equal with 10. Okay, so these individuals have homologous chromosome. Okay, and can undergo synapsis during meiosis, and they can produce gamete. Okay, can produce gamete, so means they considered as these individuals or this plant, okay, is fertile in the individuals. Okay, and then so if it's fertilized with, for example, it fertilized with CC individuals, okay, CC individuals with 2n equal with 6, equal with 4. Okay, so mean they will produce n, oh sorry, I change it, 2n equal with 6. So they will produce gamete n equal with 3, and this will produce gamete N equal with 5, and then after fertilization they will produce individual N plus N equal with 5 and 3, so equal with 8. Okay, but this 8 individual, okay, considered as no homologous chromosome, okay, because of they have 1, 2, okay, 1, 2, 3, okay, and then they have 1, 2, 3. Okay, all these no homologous chromosome, so mean they fail to undergo synapsis, and then they fail to produce gamete. Okay, this is considered as sterile individuals. Okay. Okay, and to form fertile individuals, they have to undergo chromosome doubling again. Okay, that's all.